Welcome back to our video series on UAE Corporate Tax. In our previous videos, we have explored the basics of corporate taxation in the UAE. In this video, let's explore when a natural person becomes subject to UAE corporate tax. From the introduction of the corporate tax law in the UAE, it is the most frequent questions in everyone's mind whether corporate tax will be applicable for individuals or not. According to Article 12 of the Federal Decree Law number 47, a natural person or an individual will become a resident person and thus liable to corporate tax if he or she conducts any business or business activities in the UAE. However, the law does not specifically categorize the businesses or business activities which will become subject to corporate tax in the hands of a natural person. It was decided Cabinet would later release a decision outlining these categories of business. The Cabinet Decision number 49 specifies the businesses which would make a natural person subject to corporate tax in the UAE. According to Article 2 of this decision, a natural person whose turnover or the sales for its tax period exceeds 1 million AED, then the natural person will become subject to corporate tax. Here we should understand the turnover up to 1 million AED, irrespective of the types of businesses, a natural person will not be liable to corporate tax. According to this decision, certain activities such as wages, income from personal investment, income from real estate investment are not subject to corporate tax, irrespective of the turnover from such activities during the tax period. And if a natural person is not involved in any such business or business activities during the tax period, he is not required to register for corporate tax. Let us take an example to understand this provision with clarity. Mr. X, who is a painter and who sells his painting during the tax period from the UAE with a value of AED 1.2 million. In this case, he will be subject to corporate tax at 9% as his turnover exceeds the threshold of AED 1 million. In the same example, if Mr. X turnover for the tax period 2024 is AED 800,000, then he will not be subject to corporate tax as his revenue is below the threshold of AED 1 million. Mr. Y, who earns a rental income from his apartment with a total value of AED 1.5 million during the financial year 2024. In this case, his profit will not become subject to corporate tax as his income, that is, the income from real estate investment, is one among the activities which are excluded from corporate tax according to this decision. I hope this video proves to be helpful. If you need any further assistance or if you have any further questions, you can reach to us to our email connect@alchemistme.com, or you can visit our website www.alchemistme.com. Stay tuned for more videos on corporate tax.